In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up data for import into Zoho inventory. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prepare your file, pick the right options, and bring your items into Zoho inventory without confusion. First, open Zoho inventory and go to your item catalog. Click on items to land on the main list where your products and variants live. This is your starting point for any bulk import. Next, look for the three dots menu on the item screen. Click the three dots to reveal additional actions. This is where Zoho keeps bulk tools so you can manage your data efficiently. Hover over import to expand the import options. You'll see choices tailored to what you're bringing in. Since we're importing product data, that's what we'll choose next. Click on import items. This launches the guided import flow that helps you verify your file and line up your columns with Zoho's fields. Now click choose file. Select the spreadsheet you've prepared, typically a CSV or XLS/XLSX. A quick tip as you select it, make sure your first row contains clear headers, such as item name, SKU, description, and price. SKUs should be unique, numbers should be plain numbers without symbols, and if you use variants, include your attribute columns in the same row as the item. Keeping these basics clean will save you time during mapping. Click. Next, to move forward, you'll arrive at the field mapping screen. Here, map the fields by matching each column in your file to the appropriate Zoho inventory field. Carefully pair essentials like item name, SKU, and selling price. If a column doesn't need to be imported, you can leave it unmapped. Use the on-screen preview to spot issues like mismatched number formats or blank required fields. For taxes and units of measure, be sure the text in your file matches what you already use in Zoho inventory, so values land correctly. Once your mappings look right, click Next. You'll see a brief summary of what's about to be imported. Take a moment to confirm that the key fields are mapped and that any non-essential columns you don't want are intentionally left out. Finally, click Import. Zoho inventory will process your file and add your items. For larger files, this can take a short while. When it's done, you'll see a confirmation and your products will appear in the items list, ready for use in quotes, invoices, and stock tracking. That's it. Your data is set up and imported. Keep a copy of this spreadsheet as your clean master file so future updates follow the same structure and map perfectly every time.